make a perfect gift for Christmas. Just saying.
Here's a good solution. Instead of doing that, which is sketchy, 45-pound Mega Gator hook. Perfect. Could it be my buddy Ryan coming to sell me some stuff? Yep. On the Fuji spray gun, the fan adjustment knob is on the side and not on the back. It just means when I gotta put my light on, it goes upside down. Still really easy to turn on, so that's good. Absolute fiend for the 5-star plastic. I'll take 12. Green means good.
Oh yeah, look at that. 6, what's number 6? 3 down.
Down 3, that's in spec. The spec is in spec.
Excellent.
Okay, booth stripped down. We're gonna paint it. We'll call it booth coating, but really it's just a latex paint just to freshen things up on this old unit. Even just hitting this wall one coat makes a world of difference. Gonna do a second one, cut everything in. This year we decided we're gonna do the ceiling as well. And then the whole place should be freshened up. Usually don't do that every year. It's a little unnecessary though. It's crazy, I don't spray at the walls, but you can kind of see where it just builds up. But you'll never see me spray directly on my walls. Keep it white, keep it bright, easier to paint.
You know, it would make a perfect gift for Christmas. Just saying.